bring them more, but you can't bring the truth to me.
Good afternoon, guys. It is currently 11:30 a.m. and I am just starting this vlog randomly today. I have not done a vlog in so long and I'm like, yo, I feel like mad inspired to like do a vlog today. So I already did one client today, like earlier this morning, and now I'm about to go get some tacos. So I want to take you guys with me to go get some tacos because you guys, like, these tacos are no joke. Like, I'm craving them and they have mango slices on them and it's a mahi taco. All right, so I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to finish getting ready so we can start heading to the restaurant so we can get some tacos. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. So I actually don't have much going on today, but I still want to vlog the day just so you guys can just see what a regular day is like for me. And I definitely want to update you guys on like everything that's been going on. Like, I might do a life update video because it's been a couple of months since I officially did a vlog. So yeah, keep a lookout for that life update video. Hey, Mr. Bear. Bear busy. He busy too. Hi, my handsome man. My handsome big boy. My handsome big boy. My handsome big boy. Like, don't touch me while I'm peeing. So guys, these are the tacos. They look so good. As y'all see the mango slices, they're so delicious. And these are my sauces and my chips. Yeah. And then Mark got, what did you get?
Chicken Caesar wrap.
A chicken Caesar wrap. And I forgot to take a video of it before he demolished it. But yeah, it looks so delicious.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all, so we're back home. It's back to business. I'm actually gonna sweep really quick before I leave to go to my 2:30 p.m. and just tidy up around the house because I have the time really quick. And y'all, like, it's so hard to stay organized when you're like on the go. So that's like I feel like that's the thing I am learning 2026, how to be busy and organized at the same time, because that's something I've struggled with for so long. But y'all, let me get started. I'm on the time limit. Okay guys, so I'm at the salon now and I'm waiting on my client to get here. So I'm just gonna like fold some towels while I'm here waiting for him. I'm gonna be doing some men's braids for him, so I'll show you guys the before and after of his men's braids. He normally gets like 6 stitch braids going back, so y'all see that soon.
cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't cap on no phony. You don't believe you babe. Like you not, but you know it's on me, babe. Got 100 different reasons just to go and pray. I ain't tryna show you pussy, yeah, it's on these shirts. Like the city see it, titties, girl, don't close these shirts. She naked when she be with me, giving clothes a pray. The pussy get wetter for me like it knows my face. She ride it until she come and make my nose ring crack. So when they hit it, make her feel like she got no spring break. I hit it until the box without no spring spray. I hit it till the pussy look like it don't seem straight. If you coolin' with your bitch, make sure you don't bring shade. If she thirsty for the dick, you know I won't restrain. I leave some water on the floor, no it won't be rain. Killin' the pussy make me hungry, need a 4-piece bag. Don't watch your bitch, she look like she from where the dope fiends hang. I'm in the city where the motherfucking coke fiends hang. I wanna fuck a bitch and give a bitch a nosebleed, damn. Calling your phone cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't cap on no phone. You don't believe you don't know me. I don't be playing no games. I just want you to understand. But you don't hear what I'm saying.
Right. Oh, you haven't watched it either? That's great. Hey guys, so we're here at the park at Lake Worth Park. This is the view. Y'all look at this park. So beautiful. I'm gonna get closer to the water so you guys can see the beautiful view. But I'm out here with Mark. He's doing like a drumming class back there. So I'm gonna take a walk. So I successfully finished my client's hair, and this is like a cherry on the top of the day because I did not expect to come here today. I thought I was gonna go straight home. I'm actually making some chicken and fried plantains tonight, so I was gonna get ready for that, but I was like, nah, I can't miss this view at this park, y'all. Like every time I come here it feels so good. So beautiful out here. There's like other obstacles down there. There's a little park right here for the kids, and the water is just beautiful. The nature out here in general is nice. And there's nice people out here, so but I just want to get closer for you guys so you guys can see, and it sounds so good. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I love the water. It's just so relaxing. Oh my gosh. Oh. You can just fall asleep out here.
Okay, so let's go back to that rhythm. So, boom, bap, bap. Do that again? No. This hand complements. So whichever hand hits bass, the next hand will complement.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. And then now you see. Yeah. Now try left. Exactly. Right? And then the whole thing just, it's kind of a cycle. It just repeats itself. Wait. I be doing what you do. Yeah. I like to do it the way you do it, but that's only because I can add stuff to it. That's if you're gonna add it. Because this hand, if it's gonna go boom bop, then you can add something.
Seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it.
Okay guys, so the chicken is marinating right now. Yeah, so I'm back home finally and I am ready to rest, but I really want to make sure I eat before I go to sleep. So we're doing chicken and fried plantains tonight. Delicioso, my favorite. The only thing we're missing is some pickles. I just remembered the pickles. How could you forget the pickles? Anyways, I definitely can't wait to enjoy this meal. Y'all, I don't have much to do tonight. I'm actually gonna start this book that someone gave me about like 2 weeks ago. So let me do that while I wait for the chicken to, like, you know, season up a little bit. So I'm gonna show y'all the book.
I know that blessed with another chance. I am 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 blessed with another chance. I'm blessed with another chance. I am blessed with another chance. I am. And every day, always on my head high, my chest high. That don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. See the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance. I am 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 blessed with another chance. I am.
try breaking it. No condo saying your name at the front. You can't stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take